Here's an Afrobeat style song, really design and Quinta wines. Clicky centric will highlighting your brand slogan and shipping from Europe to Nigeria and Africa. Perfect for short content, videos, reels up on more channel cuts. Feel free to ask for a longer version. Studio ready arrangement, Cora Vine songs with that ways. Quinta wines, like a wine. Quinta alright. Quinta wines, yeah, we dey ship worldwide. Quinta wines, king. Quinta alright. Quinta wines, yeah, we dey ship worldwide. Pull up with the bottles on a Friday night. Red, white, rosé, any mood we fit match. Calling to you, legit, no story, no cap. Sip and slow, make your body relax. Now Quinta, everybody want taste. Feel the flavor, you gon' know say it great. From Lagos down to Accra Estate, we bring the good life, no time to waste. Other arm, we go run am fast. Europe to Niger, we dey deliver class. Every celebration, make it last. Quinta wines always top of the chart. Quinta wines, we dey pop am tonight. Quinta wines, e dey enter the mind. From Europe straight down to Africa. Anywhere you dey, we go deliver. Quinta wines, really enjoy life, taste so smooth. E dey sweet like bar, raise your glass, make we celebrate. Quinta wines, yeah, we dey ship worldwide. Wine so fine, make you dance alright. Body dey move when the cup fly high. Taste the moment, feel the light. Quinta day, yeah, make you enjoy life. As I live it, Quinta wines. Quinta wines, Quinta wines, yeah, we dey ship it worldwide. Quinta wines, Quinta wines, Quinta wines, yeah, we dey ship it worldwide. Quinta wines, one tray by one prestige. Quinta wines, Europe to Africa, now we dey live it. Quinta wines, Quinta on the beat, yeah. Quinta wines, if you want, I can also create. But a short 15-second TikTok version, Vanda hype chant version, Bona female or male vocal style version, Vanda longer 3-minute full song. Oh, no. Just tell me.
I don't understand the kind pop-off. That one, they say, oh man, chop a mango sicko. Eh? Hello, guys. We are in the puff-puff show. This one, I don't understand the kind pop-off, oh, guys. I don't know whether the yeast is nice or it's not nice or is it flour. Hey. Fresh and clean puff. Oh. Hey, business. There is customer in the mood. fresh